Hi YouTube, I'm back with another tutorial. This is about the variables in Python. So I have already talked about the basic variables in Python, okay, the strings and other integer or double variables. So this is another video where I will talk about the lists and tuples and the dictionary which is there in Python. So lists is nothing but a collection of different items in Python. So it is similar to an array in C, but the thing is that in C an array contains only one type of items, but here in a list it can be anything. It can be a collection of different kinds of items. Okay, so let's see one by one. Okay, fine. So we'll create a list. Okay, list one. So this is one of the IDE in Python, Thorny. So if you don't know how to install, download and install, see my tutorial to download it. Okay, so you can start writing code directly here. It's like an editor. List one. So I'll start with the list. Okay, so list one will create a list. So any list is defined inside square brackets. Okay, so here you can have a string. Okay, you can have a number. Okay, you can have a double value. You can have another name or anything. Okay, so this is a list in Python. So it is always enclosed in square brackets. Okay, right. So okay, so this is how a list is defined in Python. Okay, if you want to print the list, you should simply print like this, list one. So if you run this, it will print the entire list. Okay, list tuple and dictionary in Python. Okay, right. So we'll run it. So it will, okay, it is showing some error. Yeah, missing parenthesis and call to print. Okay, so you have to I guess I have to enclose it in parenthesis. Okay. Okay, I guess this is it. Let's see. Yeah, so it is printing the entire list. Okay, fine. Similarly, if you want to print the first item of the list, you have to give list 1 0, right? So it will print the first item of the list. Okay, so it will print the first item of the list. Okay, so again, to print the third item, or okay, list one, if you want to print the third item till the end of it, you can use like this. Okay, fine. So this is one by one we'll see third item till the list, till the end. Okay, we can have another list. Okay, list 2. Okay, so here I can add some more variable like a b c or 1. Okay, so this is another list. Okay, I just created. Fine. If you want to add the two list, okay, if you want to print the two list, just you can give like this, list 1. You can use concatenation operator as plus list 2. So it will print both the list together. Okay, let's see how is it showing. Yeah, so see, you can see both the list till here. This is the first list and this is the second list. Okay, so this is the list. This is all about the list, guys. So list is you can update the value of a list. Okay, but when we go to tuple, right, so let's include tuple here itself. Okay, let's define a tuple here. Okay, tuple 1 equal to, tuple is similar to list. Only difference is that it is enclosed in parentheses and list is enclosed in square brackets. Another difference is that tuple is read only. You cannot update any value in a tuple. Okay, fine. So let's define a tuple. Okay, fine. So let's define a tuple. So this is my tuple. Okay, fine. So here I have defined a tuple, so it is enclosed in a parenthesis. Fine, let's try to print it. Print tuple1. so I can print it using using this. Okay, so if I run it, the tuple is printed here. See the tuple is printed. Okay, fine. So from here I'm starting the tuple, right? Okay, so this will print a tuple. Similarly, I will not show all the things like how to print the first item of the tuple, how to print from the third to the last items of the last item of the tuple, how to concatenate two tuples. It is similar to the list. Okay, fine. So let's show you how to update. So I'll try to update one of the value in list one. Let's say first value. Okay, first value will be 0. Let's update it equal to, instead of Shankar, there is uppercase H, so I'll make it like this. Okay, and then print the list 1. Okay, let's try to update one of the value in the list 1 and try to print it. Okay, fine. So if I run it now, you see my list is updated. It was previously as capital H, now it is updated with a new value. Okay, so this is how you can update a list. Okay, let's try to update the tuple. Okay, I have a tuple here. I'll try to update it. Okay, tuple tuple 1. Okay, let's try to update the the first value in it. Let's try to update it. Okay, and then we'll try to print a tuple 1, which is the updated value, tuple 1. Okay, let's try to save it and run it. Okay, now you see I'm getting an error. Tuple object does not support item assignment, so we cannot assign a new value to a tuple. Okay, it is read only. So that is a difference between tuple and a list. So this is invalid. Okay, this thing is invalid in tuple. Okay, fine. So this is a basic difference between a tuple and a list. Okay, let's go further. Let's talk about dictionary. So dictionary in Python is nothing but a key value pair. Okay, it has a key and a value associated to it. Okay, so yeah, it is so let's define a dictionary. So dictionary 1 equal to okay, so it is defined in this curly braces. Okay, so a key and a value. Okay, let's say name colon Shankar. So this is one key value. Key is name, value is Shankar. Then another one, roll number. Roll is a key and then a value associated to it. Key value pair, right? We'll take another one. Okay, age is a key, value is 27. This is another value. Okay, it's a key value pair, right? So this is how you can define a dictionary. Let's print it. Print dict1 dictionary 1. Okay, yeah, save it and try to execute it. Yeah, let's comment this line also, which is no more relevant. Okay, yeah, so I delete this line. Fine. Okay, so let's print this dictionary. If I execute it, okay, there is a syntax error. Okay, what is it? Obviously I told you, right, this is a key value pair. So key and then a value, which is always separated by a colon. Okay, and then here also we have to, yeah, this is another key value pair. Fine, so this should be okay. So I can see, right, name Shankar, roll number 123, age this one. So this is a key value pair in the dictionary. Fine. So if I want to print the key, all the keys of the dictionary, so I'll give dictionary 1 dot keys. So all the keys will be printed, right? Fine. Okay. right? So all the keys will be printed. Let's see if it is working or not. Okay, dict has no attribute keys. Okay, I'm sorry, it is keys, sorry, not keys. Okay, fine. So this will print must be string, not a dictionary. Keys. Okay, fine. So here I'm getting some error. Must be string, not dictionary keys. Okay, fine. So I think I cannot concatenate the this and this. Okay, so let's just try to print like this without this one. See how it is working or not. Okay, so I can print the dictionary keys like this. Okay, so it is like it is dict keys. Okay, so it cannot be appended with a string. Okay, I want to print the values. I can do like this, dict1 dot values. So all the values will be printed from the dictionary. So this is how we can work with dictionaries. Fine, let's go further. Okay, I want to print the value which belongs to the key name. Okay, I want to print the value which belongs to the key name. So dict1, and then I have to give the key name. Okay, fine. So I think it should print the value of this key. Okay, let's just try to run it. Okay, so the name is Shankar. If I give if I don't give the key correctly, it will not print the value. Okay, it is saying that this key error is not there. This key doesn't belong to the dictionary. Okay, so this is all, guys. This is this is how you can work with a dictionary. Okay, fine. So this is very basic about a list and a tuple and a dictionary. So please keep watching my videos and subscribing my channel for further updates. Thanks.